In this video, I'll show you how to create a print order in HHStudio. Start by clicking on Start an Order and fill out your studio order number, description, select your color correction method. Once you've filled out everything, go ahead and click OK. The next step is to select the images that we want to include in the order. I'm going to select these two. Now your images appear in the light box on the right-hand side. Select the image that you want to order from by clicking on it. It'll appear in the workspace. On the left-hand side, you see the catalog, and it lists all the different product lines you can order from. I'm going to go ahead and go to Prints, and we're going to select Professional Color as the paper type, and we're going to select an 8x10 print. Now we can go ahead and crop our image. Next, we're going to go ahead and Add to Order by clicking here. Then we can go up to the Order tab and finalize the order for this 8x10 print. Go ahead and go through the Finalize Order dialogues. And lastly, we can go ahead and upload the order to the lab.